How to create this type of talking avatar for free. Today, in this video, I will tell you how to create a talking avatar 100% free. I will explain step by step, so watch until the end. Step 1. We need an avatar, so we're going to create one on Leonardo AI. Now open your browser and search for Leonardo AI. Open the first website, then click on Get Started. If you haven't logged in yet, first log in with your Google account. Now click on Create New Image. When this opens, you will see an interface with some options and settings on the left. Here you can select your image size. I want mine for a YouTube video, so I selected the landscape frame. Next, write a prompt. Remember, the image always depends on your prompt. If you write a detailed prompt, the image will be creative and professional. Let's write a prompt. An anime boy sitting in a studio room in front of the camera with a little smile, then hit the Generate button and wait a few minutes. Now you can see our images are generated, but they are not exactly what I want, so I'm going to generate them again. After several tries, I finally got it. Click on the picture you want to download and then click on the download icon. Step 2. After creating an avatar, you can add some decorations to the picture. If you don't want to add decorations, you can skip this part. For those who do, open your browser and search for Adobe Firefly. Open the first website, then click on the Get Firefly Free button, scroll down, and open Generative Fill. Now, upload your avatar image here. Next, I want to add a table, so I'll highlight the area where I want the table and write Table, then click the Generate button. If the AI doesn't generate it well, click More to refine it. Let's select this option. Now, I want to add more items like a laptop here and a notepad there. Decorate according to your desire. After all the decorations are done, download the picture. Step 3. Open Canva and click on the Create Design button. Select the landscape frame. Now, import your image, then click on Edit Image and select Magic Eraser. If you want to learn how to use Magic Studio in Canva, I have already created a video that you can check out after this one. Now, back to the topic. Click on Magic Eraser, highlight the logo, and then click the Erase button. Also, remove the lips like this. After completing all the settings, download this image. Step 4. Now open YouTube and search for Cartoon Talking Mouth Green Screen. You can download any of them. I have already downloaded one. Step 5. Open CapCut and import your mouth video and avatar image. First, adjust your image and then adjust the mouth green screen. To crop this video, select your green screen and click on the crop icon in the bar. Crop according to your preference. Now adjust your image according to the green screen, then select the green screen. Click on Remove BG and turn on the chroma key. If some green borders are still visible, adjust the intensity according to your desire. Next, adjust the mouth on the avatar. Let's preview how it looks. If it looks too fast, don't worry, I have a solution. Simply select the green screen, click on Speed, and set it to 5x. Then adjust the image according to your green screen. Our talking avatar is ready. Now export this and use it in your videos. That's how you can create a talking AI avatar for free. I hope you liked this video, so don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon to get updates on upcoming AI videos. Thanks for watching.